أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم SILA 2020 plans CSS 20 weeks PMS 20 weeks Judiciary 20 weeks M English 20 weeks IELTS 10 weeks Creative Writing 10 weeks Life Skills A1 4 weeks English MDCAT 20 days Interview 20 days Day-to-day English Conversation 100 hours OA levels 16 weeks Skill to read the Holy Quran 100 days Translation of the Holy Quran 30 weeks English Conversation Part 12 Young scholars, how are you? We are over here now just to develop our English communication skills, and you know that skill to do comes by doing, skill to cook comes by cooking, skill to speak comes by
Speaking.
excellent, and skill to converse comes by conversing.
Let's.
Practice this philosophy over here today in this session.
Yes.
You ready?
Yes, sir.
Fatima Bitia, please come over here. You know that for the development of this communication skill, SILA, this platform has designed some formats which are 100 in number, and those 100 formats have been divided into 6 modules, and I'm of the belief that the first format of module number 1 makes 90% of the total English language, and I'm sure that you have developed your belief that it is right now.
Yes.
Format number 11, very simple, very simple. If your concept of those 13 phrases is clear: who, whom, what, where, when, how, why, which, whose, what kind of, what sort of, what type of, how many, how much, how often. Funds clear?
Yes.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
When you left your home, who was over there at your home and which part of the home? And what was he doing? What was she doing? Or what were they doing? Please. Where was your sister?
She was in the bedroom.
Your sister was there in the bedroom. What was she doing?
She was taking lunch.
Mr. Maqsood says that when he left his home, his sister was there in the bedroom and she was taking lunch.
And at that time, she was taking lunch. Once clear?
Yes.
Today's lesson. For the lunch, for taking lunch, what had she done?
She had sat on the
Excellent. Now, for taking lunch, what had she done? She had taken the seat. First point. Number 2, she had washed her both hands. Clear? She had collected food from the kitchen. And as you say that she was eating, so we can say that she had recited Bismillah wa ala barakatillah before she started eating, and she had eaten some of the food. Points clear?
Yes, sir.
And when you left, she was eating. Before that, she had done all these activities. No points clear? Mr. Maqsood left his home. When he left, now at that time, his sister was eating lunch. Before that, what had his sister done? Please.
She had sat on the dining mat.
Very good. Sat is V3. Keep in mind. Sit, sat, sitting. She had sat where? At the dining table. Please.
She had arranged her lunch.
Excellent. She had arranged what? She had arranged her seat. She had arranged the crockery. she had arranged her food. Clear?
Yes.
Please.
She had recited the
Excellent. She had recited what? No, the supplication. The supplication which we the Muslims know recite before we eat. At the start of the eating. What's that? Bismillahi wa ala barakatillah. Who gave that food to your sister?
She herself.
She
Excellent. No.
She herself cooked.
She herself had cooked. Excellent. Cooked it. No. She had made food according to her own taste and choice. She had followed her favorite recipe. So many things are there. No? Points clear?
Yes, sir.
When I left this room, you people were not over here except these two. But when I returned to this room, all of you had excellent. All of you had taken seats. All of you had entered this room. All of you had arrived. No points clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes. When I left my home, Mr. Usman was there in the TV room.
Excellent.
At that time, he was watching the TV.
Excellent. No.
He says that when he left his home, Mr. Usman was there
In the TV lounge, in the TV room. Yeah.
and he was watching TV.
And at that time, he was ready?
Yes.
Very good. Very good. For that,
For that.
what?
For that.
For that, mean for watching TV.
Yes.
What had Mr. Usman done?
He had sat on the chair.
Excellent.
He says that Mr. Usman had sat on the chair for watching TV.
What else had he done?
He had switched on the TV.
He says that Mr. Usman had switched on the TV.
Kajla Shajla. पिंडू जो मर्जी हो मुझे बावे लंदन आवे पिंडू पहचाना बता दी. What else had he done? He had adjusted his favorite TV channel. He had watched some of the program
Yes.
because he was watching, and when he left, he was watching. Means he had watched. Mr. Usman had watched some of the program.
When I left my home, my mother was there in the kitchen and she was preparing the lunch.
At the time of her departure from her home, her mother was there in the kitchen and the mother was preparing the lunch. Points clear?
Yes.
For that, for the preparation of the lunch, what had she done?
She had cut the vegetables.
Excellent, beta. What else had she done? I'm
And it-
sure she would have done so many things for that preparation. You are with me?
Yes.
We shall discuss this under that module number 3. I'm sure she would have done. She would have done so many things for the preparation. Point is clear?
Yes.
What else had she done?
He says that her mother had ignited the stove for making lunch.
Excellent. Please, what else?
She had arranged the vegetables around the stove.
Actually, she had arranged the vegetables around the stove. How can you say? Near the stove.
Near the stove.
Clear? She had arranged, she had kept the vegetables where? Near the stove. Ji.
She says that her mother had
Arranged
the vegetables
near the stove. Her mother had kept what? No, the vegetables were in the plate and she had kept the plate near the stove. What else had she done?
She had switched on the exhaust fan.
Excellent. She had switched on the exhaust fan.
He says that her mother had switched on the exhaust fan for making lunch.
Excellent. Points clear? No points clear? MashaAllah. Please. Ji.
When I left my home, my mother was there in the bedroom. She was offering the prayer.
Excellent. She was offering the door prayers.
Miss Amina says that when she left her home, her mother was there in the bedroom, and at that time she was offering her door prayer.
Excellent. The mother was offering the door prayers. For the prayers, for that activity. You are with me? For that activity, what had she done?
She had picked the dining.
The prayer mat. Excellent. No, she had picked, she had arranged She had spread. No, please.
She had picked.
She had arranged the prayer mat. Ji.
She says that her mother had arranged the prayer mat
For the door prayers. Before she left her home, no, her mother had arranged what? The prayer mats. And she had stood. She had stood on the mat. Clear? And she had started prayer. She had recited some of the supplications. And before that, she had performed ablution. No? Points clear?
When I left my home, my younger brother was there in the street and he was playing with the kids.
Points clear?
Yes.
It means you came out from your home, you crossed the gate, and you saw your brother who was over there in the street. At that time, he was playing. Please.
Mr. Jawad says that when he left his home, his brother was there in the street and he was playing
With the kids. How simple that is. For that game, what had he done?
He had called the kids.
It means this calling the kid, it had taken place before you came out. Now it's you to let us know about the activities which had been carried out, which your brother had done before you saw him. Before you saw him. He had called his playmates. Ji.
He says that his brother had called his playmates for the game.
Excellent. Before he came out from his home, before he saw his brother. Please, what else had he done? He had left his home. He had contacted his playmates. His playmates had joined him.
He had greeted.
He had greeted his playmates. His playmates had responded to his greetings. Now, both the parties, both the groups had exchanged their greetings. They had started the game. They had played. They had consumed some time in the game. They had enjoyed for some time. I am moving forward. I saw a security guard. He was doing his duty. For that, he had worn his uniform. It's you to tell me minimum about 3 people now. 3 people, no? I passed by the graveyard, I saw some people, who were offering, the funeral prayers. How simple that is, no? I passed through the market, I saw a shopkeeper, he was selling things. I saw a customer, he was buying things. I saw a beggar, he was begging for the money. You contacted Mr. Hassan Raza. At that time, he was doing his duty. At that time, he was missing you. At that time, he was waiting for your call. Points clear? How simple that is. Ji beta, please.
I saw a laborer. He was carrying the bricks in a trolley.
Excellent beta. Miss Wafa says that on her way to Sila, she saw a laborer. He was carrying bricks in the trolley. For that, what had he done?
For that, he had loaded the trolley with bricks.
Excellent. For that, he had loaded the trolley. For that, he had arranged the bricks with proper order. For that, he had taken all cares. What is clear? I saw, I met, I passed by the mosque and saw some believers over there. They were offering, the door prayers. For that, they had entered the mosque. They had performed ablution. They had started their prayers. They had stood on the prayer mats. You woke up in the morning. You opened your eyes. Let me know about the activities which the members of your family had done before you woke up. For example, my wife had filled the water tank before I woke up. My father had offered the Fajr prayers before I woke up. It means I was late. My mother had recited the Holy Quran before I woke up. My son had played the PUBG game before I woke up. He had enjoyed the whole night before I woke up. My younger son had slept before I woke up. Mr. Asad, the custodian, the sweeper, had cleaned the entire floor of the house. Sounds clear? What was the scene of your home?
My father had switched off the lights.
Excellent. Your father had switched off the light. Excellent. Ji.
Mr. Masood says that his father had switched off the lights
Before he woke up. Excellent. Mr. Maqsood says that his father had switched off the lights before he woke up. Excellent. Ji.
He says that his mother had cooked the food before he woke up.
We call that breakfast. Ji.
My sister had finished the tea.
Your sister had finished tea. Ji.
My brother had left the home.
Excellent. Left for
Office.
For office. Your brother had left for his office before you woke up. Sounds clear?
Yes, sir.
It means you were late.
Yes, sir.
You didn't have no breakfast with your brother. You couldn't have it. No. Ji.
He says that his brother had left the home for office before he woke up.
Excellent.
Mr. Jawad says that his mother had washed the clothes before he woke up.
Excellent.
She says that her mother had cleaned the room before she woke up.
Excellent.
My mother had watched the morning show.
She says that her mother had watched the morning show before she showed.
Excellent. Ji.
My maid had arrived at my home.
Excellent, beta.
She says that her maid had arrived at her home before she woke up.
Excellent. Ji.
My brother had left home for this job.
Excellent, beta. Your brother had left the home for his job. Ji.
She says that her brother had left the home before he woke up.
Know how to practice. Very simple. You will take your mobile and there will be call log. Do you remember? Yeah. See, beta. Homer called you. Before Homer called you, what had you done?
I had gone to Alphonse College.
Very good. You had gone to Alphonse College before Homer called. You had returned from Alphonse College before she called. You had spent some time in the Alphonse College before she called. You had met some of your friends over there in the college before Homer called. No points clear? Fauzia. No, before Fauzia called you, what had you done?
I had a sun bath.
Before Fauzia called you. You had enjoyed the sunshine before Fauzia called you. Mother called you. Before her call,
I had washed the utensils.
actually you had washed the crockery, no? It's clear? Like that, it's you to practice. Before you came, I had taken bath. I had offered the door prayers. I had taught English poetry to this MA English class. Sounds clear? Any question? This was our format number 11. Very, very important. Practice it by using the call log, and it's way to sum up what? Module number 1 tomorrow, inshallah. It will be matter of few seconds if your concepts are clear. Thank you. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Thank you.